Long cable, 25 feet. Very nicely made, good quality. Braided on the outside. I really like these clips. They're made to clamp onto each other or to this little loop here or into the band itself. Very, very solid. I decided to do a practice run of towing a much heavier vehicle. We had a lot of snow and ice in Texas in 2021. A lot of people had to be towed. Unfortunately, I realized that not a lot of cars have tow hooks on them anymore. And so never even thought about that before. Fortunately, I have a trailer hitch I can pull, but I don't have anything in the front to be pulled with. Vehicle on the right has the hooks in the front and a tow hitch on the back. Something to think about when you're investing in a tow strap that you can actually hook to something to tow with. We had to pull a lot of cars around, so I got this strap, these clips on here, really heavy duty. And the back of my vehicle, we're going to double winch it onto the front of this much bigger vehicle. Practice a run of pulling it out. Worked great, 9,000 pounds.